Hi, I'm your friends. This is Krita, and I want to show you how works one of the most important tools in Krita, onion skin tool. It's very important for me because I'm doing stop motion animation. So we have a background, for example, we're doing animation, and let's add this bee, for example. Insert as a new layer. Okay. Oh, let's do it a little bit smaller. It's too big bee. Okay, move it here. So now, what I will do, I will duplicate this layer and add the duplicate a little bit later to a new frame, as a new frame, but now I want to change it. I want to move it, for example, but I want to see where it was before in a previous layer. So I'm going to this wonderful onion skins tool, turning it on, and then I can move my bee and can see where it was before. So for, as I said, for stop motion, it's something very useful. Let us see now. And in order to see, you have to turn off your onion skins, and let's play the animation. Let's go to our first frame. You see? Let's do it if you want a little bit quicker, maybe. Increase the speed. I think it's nice. Thank you. Bye.